Gray and white hair cure oil. Effective remedy for gray hair. Make all your white hair into black from roots. Stop hair fall. Help in hair growth. Natural home remedy. Make your hair strong, soft, and silky from roots. Ingredients: fenugreek seed, cloves, henna, amla and shikakai powder, mustard oil, vitamin E oil, coconut oil, optional, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seed. Grind it. 1 tablespoon cloves. Grind it. 1 cup mustard oil on low heat. One tablespoon fenugreek powder. 1 tablespoon cloves powder. 1 tablespoon amla and shikakai powder. 2 tablespoon henna powder. Mix very well on slow heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it look like this. Remove oil from heat and leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours it look like this. Use this oil with gloves. Strain the oil. Add 3 drops vitamin E oil. Must apply for 3 hours in your hair with shower cap. Shelf life is 3 months. After oiling, shampoo your hair. Apply this remedy for 1 or 2 months for best results. Covers 100% gray hair. Help regrow hair.